students of class 7 of KV Ramavarmapuram had made a big nest. Our art teacher Ramdas sir planned this work and directed us to collect branches from the surroundings and outside the school campus to make a big nest. We were really surprised to get a big nest project. After completing the project, we were surprised to see that our work was completed successfully. In the future, we are planning to make more creative ideas like this.
We are planning large-scale installation in our school campus that are made by collecting objects around us. This is an art project that gives opportunity to all the children and also can be considered as an art project. Its aim is to bring art practice not only in classroom but also outside. Above all, children can learn about nature.